Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So if you're first time here, my name is Kevin. Normally we do the bush camping and the quadding and stuff. Today we're doing something a little bit different. Me and beautiful wife has been in here for the past couple of days, just camping in our RV. Our friend Chris joined us, so it's a really nice, relaxing, full on amenities, hot shower, everything in the camper kind of deal. So just kind of taking it really easy this weekend. But I figured I'd shoot a small video just to show you guys where we're to. This is something that we do as well. The camper allows for me and Crystal, my wife Crystal, and our little guy Colton to go and spend time in the bush. And sometimes what we'll do is we'll go as a family and camp up with the camper and stuff, and then I'll take my rucksack and go off in the bush for the night. And they'll be camping, a couple of kilometers away from me, but they're camping too and enjoying the outdoors, which makes me just want to bring up get out as much as you can. So some new things that I got in this video, mainly when we came out to try out this video, is I got a new drone for the channel as well. So it's a Mavic Mini DJI. So I'll put in some drone footage at the end here and let you kind of see where we're at and all that good stuff. But mostly it was just a video to say hi. We're enjoying the August weather here in Alberta. So in case you're wondering where this footage was shot, it was shot in the Ghost recreational land use area. It's Crown land in Alberta, basically west of the QE2. And people around here will probably know where it is anyway. But I'll throw in some footage now of where we are. Just wanted to say hi. Got some big plans for some new videos coming up in the future, but stay tuned. So if you're new, flick around, have a look. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit the like button, do whatever it is that people do on the videos. But right now I'm going to go back to the camp and enjoy the fire. And I'll put up some footage here of where we are. As always, guys, take care, love your family, and I'll see you on the next one.